Gentle reminder, protection is essential to the preservation of your life, while manifestation is key to the achievement of your goals. Disclaimer, gemstones are not a medical device and do not substitute medical treatment. They can enhance your healing and provide additional support to assist you during physical, emotional, mental, and Kundalini healing times. If your gemstone's energies is too strong or overworking, take it off immediately and only wear it in moderation. Without further ado, let's get into this crystal composition. Came through dripping, drip, drip. Came through dripping, drip, drip. Beautiful day, crystal kids and enthusiasts alike, and welcome to yet another episode of Crystal Physics. I'm getting bored of that intro. To tell you a bit about the series, before we dive in, physics is the study of matter and how it behaves. Crystal physics is the study of crystal energy and how it behaves in the body. This series is designed to help anyone who is interested in gemstones learn more about the spiritual, mental, emotional, Kundalini properties. As well as I will also be going over some correspondence, affirmations, fun facts, and the health benefits, but it's not a medical device. This is a come as you are series, therefore I will be coming as comfy as I like, and I encourage you to do the same. Please use the comments to not only get clarity on these gemstones, but to also share your own experiences with these gemstones. We're building a family, and your opinion is valued. To learn and listen more about the physical properties of these gemstones, click the link below and head on over to Medium. Medium has an in-app listening feature that allows you to press play and listen to the properties all day. With that being said, let's get into Moonstone. Moonstone, also known as hectorite, also known as chandracantamoni, also known as chandracanta, has a big three that consist of energy, intuition, and psychic abilities. The correspondence of this stone include the sacral, third eye, and crown chakras. It has a projective energy. Its planet is the moon. Its element is water. Its zodiac signs are Cancer, Libra, and Scorpio, and its vibrational number is 4. The spiritual properties of Moonstone include attracting wealth, providing protection while traveling. It helps with higher spiritual learning. It encourages acceptance of your psychic gifts. It's used as a growth stone for children and teens. It helps you communicate with your spirit guide. It brings strong energies of abundance to your life. It provides protection to you as you travel new paths in life. It enhances intuition, sensitivity, and psychic abilities. It connects you to the divine feminine and self-knowledge. Very helpful for those adapting to the changing structures of their life on all levels. The mental properties of Moonstone include supporting you through change, helping you discover your true self. It helps you find new energy and go in a new direction. It aids in effective decision making. It promotes expression, courage, and flexibility. It brings clarity, understanding, and sensitivity, and it encourages hope and dreams by providing hope for the future and dreams of how the future may unfold. The emotional properties of Moonstone include associating with love of all kinds. It's capable of bringing love into your life. It opens your heart to nurturing qualities. It inspires inner peace and emotional balance. It is used for self-love and acceptance. It has a powerful calming effect on the emotional state, and it can be an emotional support for sensitive children. It also soothes intense overwhelm and balances the highs and lows you might experience. It encourages you to go with the flow and find peace and calm in natural rhythms of life. The Kundalini property. Moonstone doesn't really have any crazy Kundalini properties other than probably like opening and activating the sacral, third eye, and crown chakras. That's really probably about it. Let's get into these health benefits. They're not a medical device. It affects the female reproductive system. It aids with the assimilation of nutrients. It's helpful in the treatment of circulatory disorders. It aligns the biorhythms of your body to the rhythms of nature. It helps alleviate menstrual problems and balance hormonal systems. It enhances fertility and promotes ease in pregnancy and childbirth. It's excellent for PMS, conception, pregnancy, childbirth, and breastfeeding. It eliminates toxics and fluid retention and alleviates degenerative conditions of the skin, hair, eyes, and fleshy organs such as the liver and the pancreas. The fun facts of Moonstone include it was named after its visual effects. It's called aldorescence or Schiller, and it produces a milky or blush interior light. Yeah, and they think that it looks like the moon, so they called it Moonstone. The most common moonstone is of the orthoclase feldspar mineral aldera, named from an early mining site near Mount Alder in Switzerland. Now the town is called Saint Gotthard. Saint Gotthard. Most commercial moonstones are from Sri Lanka. The Romans admired moonstone as they believed it was derived from solidified rays of the moon. Both the Romans and the Greeks associated moonstone with their lunar deities. In recent history, moonstone has become popular during the Art Nouveau period. French goldsmith René Lalique and many others created large quantities of jewelry out of this stone. Moonstone is the Florida State gemstone and was designated that in 1970 to commemorate the moon landing, which took off from the Kennedy Space Center. But of course, moonstone does not naturally occur in Florida. Moonstone often displays a cat eye effect. It is June's birthstone, and according to Hindu mythology, a moonstone is made of solidified moonbeam. Last but not least, let's get into these affirmations. Don't forget to take your deep breath. I allow the mystery of life to unfold. My intuition guides me effortlessly. I am calm and connected. That is it. That is all. Thank you so much for tuning into. I don't even know what day this is because I didn't look. I think we're on like 14. 13 or 14. I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. You could try to pre-order my book. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, I'm not tripping. I'm gonna try to get hard copies. Yeah. Catch you in the next one. Bye.